ABC Littles. Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn the names of farm animals. Let's get started. Cow. Cow. Cows are big and give us milk. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep are white and give us wool. Goat. Goat. Goats are playful and give us milk. Pig. Pig. Pigs are pink and live on farms. Rooster. Rooster. Roosters are loud and wake us up in the morning. Hen. Hen. Hens lay eggs on the farm. Duck. Duck. Ducks are yellow or white and love water. Turkey. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds with colorful feathers. Horse. Horse. Horses are strong and help us ride and work. Great job, friends! Today we learned the names of farm animals. Farm animals give us food, help us work, and live with us. See you next time for more fun learning.